fast. This I think what you will see what happens is that first you get something like that, very nice and beautiful, and then suddenly somebody do something, bleaching happen. You get white color. We love to look white, don't we, these days? And then finally you can see the skeleton. The way forward, in terms of operation, basically maintain what we have. New generator is that you don't buy today, buy one model from China, tomorrow buy a model from Germany, another one from Japan. Spare part, even the screw, some in Imperial and some in metric. Follow AirAsia, Airbus. All tires are the same standard. Address and revenue. How many of you have traveled to Kuta, Tawau area? You can see all the lines hanging around. If illegal homes can get free electricity, wonderful. Administrations. This is what is important to us, is that under IPP agreement, power purchase agreement, we could not make public. Second thing, the need for transparency on capacity and usage payment. Also, renewable power purchase agreement should be based on efficiency. We do not know the negotiations, things like that. Of course, everything is confidential. Short term, in terms of up to 5 years, we have heard about it, Adrian mentioned about it, and also at CSP, the 10 megawatt and 10 kilometer, clear that out. Businessmen will come in. As long money. We heard one person just now talking about all they want is profit. If we can give them the profit for the business, they will jump into making money. The question is we ask, are you willing to pay again? Biomass is happening, but still, of course, there are issues there. Hydro, geothermal and solar, I will not touch because this thing promoted by one as their food is poison to me because I will have problems and I want to address environmental issue. Do I see the first thing again? Policy. Okay? Available. Somebody come to knock on our door selling us power. We refuse to accept. If we can trust our Kalimantan neighbor for security, why can't we trust our Sarawakian neighbor? Our power tariff unchanged for 25 years. We would like to challenge this because we want to make it change so that the provider, SESP or TNB, could benefit. We do not want them to go without bonus. WWF works without bonus, but SESP must have at least 3-month bonus for them. So, profit must be there. Review the tariff. Palm oil millers said, I can help to solve your problem. Support me. We are not supporting them. We rather throw away the fruit bunch rather than use it. Okay, policy, distributions, non-revenue, energy efficiency awareness. This is important. We heard about that again. The first thing is that, as Prof. Dan was talking about, we start reducing our usage, consumption. We start to reduce that, automatically it goes down. The first thing is, are we willing? Green building index. These days our building index is how many aircon more you can put into the house. The TV getting bigger, everything getting bigger. Unfortunately, we're not willing to pay the price. Policy, national policy on biomass should be established. And then we are willing to sell, but we're not willing to use. So are we going to repeat the field system again where gas are exported and then we found out in Sabah, we got nothing to use for ourselves. I make money, but in the end we all got no money ourselves. That's why we got 400 Sabahan jobless and homeless in Semenanjung. Take advantage of that. Offer by Sarawak Energy. So, but in the word of the Prime Minister, Najib said, a better fuel mix for the country as currently it depended highly on coal, which is a highly polluting energy source, and gas depleting resources. So one day on Ramadan he will say we go for coal, another day going to global, he says something else. That is how we run our country. Summary, our energy consumption has increased over the years. You cannot deny the fact. A natural growth of 3% has increased many percentage. We would have been only like 1.8 million, now we got 3.3. So our energy also goes up like that. We have been using energy in a very nice way, inefficient we call it. Because highly subsidized. You can see, with due respect, a gentleman in KL can wash 5 cars with 2 buckets of water on his bicycle How many buckets of water would you need to wash your car at home with your horse? Running water, I think gallons and gallons to wash your car, spray it. And the guy in KL can wash without a bicycle with 2 buckets of water, still clean car. So we waste. LNG, no gas. Actions again. Policy, tariff for power providers to be met standard. All providers, whether they are biomass or anything, give them the same price. After all, they are giving the same kilowatt. Tariff for consumers. Now, the Prime Minister, we are going to reduce subsidy. Are you willing to pay the price if subsidy is taken out? And you pay the full price, then only thing. Agreement with IBP, legal action, we start taking legal action. Inconvenient, no electricity at night, take action. Awareness program, with building. Okay, the Prime Minister quickly, Madam Chairperson, very fast. I will not say that, you read it, you cannot read, I think they will put in the website this thing. That's what we have now, it will be gone soon. Thank you.